Hello guys, my name is Xavier, and today I am playing GTA, and I also apologize for not making more videos. So yeah, so these are my cars. Yeah, y'all probably know all of my cars. So let's go outside. And how did my car get here? Well, y'all see I have another car that is on the other side of of uh of the Los Santos state, and I have a garage. So I'll show y'all the garage first. I apologize for not making that much videos because I kind of had to do schoolwork. Let's just say that I was busy. So yeah. Ow. That hurt. Great, they messed up my car. So my garage is all the way over here. All I have to do is just keep straight. Oh my god, these cars get my way. Yep, so the garage is also over here, so I can cruise it past the garage. Yeah, so the garage is over here. Oh, and by the way, this car cannot go inside of any full garages if it has a whole bunch of cars. So let's go in my garage and see what's in it. Yep, so this is my race car, my race car garage. So yeah. So if y'all don't know the names, this one is a hot rod blader. It's short and it looks like a lawnmower, but it's fine. This is a Dubachi Mascaro race car, which I'm probably going to use in my races. So go over here. This is the Body 801 Pegassi. The race motorcycle. This is the Dinka Akuma, which is a police race motorcycle. So it could be a police race motorcycle and a race motorcycle. So you see, that is the motorcycle sound. Let me take off the helmet. Take off the helmet. Okay, there you go. This is the bifta. This is one of the this is a police slash race car. You see it has the exhaust and it also has the the cars dang it, was the cop horn. So yeah. And by the way, this is black and white, not carbon black. And this one is my favorite, the Dinka Jester race car. This is the most highly race car that I am probably going to drive. And this is what the my this is what my race car horn sounds like. So yeah, if y'all are wondering why do I have a race car garage, in case I race. So, and if y'all are wondering if I'm going to use my other cars for racing, yes, I probably will. So, this is mine. Yep, there you go. And if y'all are wondering what does this horn sounds like, there you go. So, and this one, yep. So, pretty much this one, that wait a second. So this motorcycle, that motorcycle, and that car is all police slash race vehicles. So yeah. So now it's time to go to my other house, which is all the way in Sandy Shores. If y'all played Grand Theft Auto, or as I like to call it, GTA. So let me go. So this is so dented. I'll probably fix the car when we go halfway, but it's kind of far. The oh, I've seen those trucks before. Okay, so like I was saying, the house is like not that far. Well, unless y'all say it that Sandy Shores is far and y'all are too lazy to go in to go to Sandy Shores and buy a car, then y'all could say it. But we're gonna get on the highway and see if we can make it to Sandy Shores. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna be talking that much because, and I have taken the wrong way. Yep, just like that. Let that get on me. Don't worry, because I took the wrong way anyway, so. But it's fine. So I probably won't be talking that much because I have nothing to say yet. But comment down below what kind of car that y'all like. Because like out of all of the cars that I have, including the ones that are in the garage and the one in Sandy Shores, just comment down below what kind of car y'all like. Oh well, including this one. Besides, this one is a entity. Yeah. No, it's just an entity. So, yeah, if y'all like what I love, okay. The best, my favorite radio is Radio Los Santos. So I'll let y'all listen to that. So yeah. yeah, I pretty much have nothing to say, really, because I'm not that person that talks a lot unless I talk to my friend. Unless I talk to my friend, actually, I have a couple of friends that has a PS3 and has a YouTube channel. So I'm gonna. So the two of my friends are, well, three. The three of my friends are Leo, the Fox 04, um, Death Giver 115, and Codeiron. If y'all cannot spell, well, I'm just trying not to be rude or anything, but if y'all like don't know how, really, I barely even hit you. Whatever, that's besides the point. If y'all do not know how to spell any of those names that I just said, then they will be in the description below. So yeah. So I'll let y'all listen to this I'll let y'all listen to this radio, and yeah, let's see how far we can go. So yeah. Enjoy the radio. Yeah, I'm just going in the store. I'm just going in the store real quick so y'all won't be bored. Greetings, fellow human. I would like to buy all these. Yes, thank you. Yep, of course it is sold out. So let me go in the back of here. Why you looking at me? Huh? Why you looking at me?
Just leave now, please.
No. I don't want to leave. Yeah, get out of here. Jesus, what is wrong with you? Guys, comment down below what is wrong with that person. I don't know what's wrong with that person. But he's a little weird, so. So yeah, like I was saying, so let's get to the house. Oh, and y'all don't have to worry about the cops because I can easily lose them since my car is real fast. But wait a second. One of my friends has said something. He probably won't know what I put, but it's fine.
Hi.
Oh, it's you again. Oh. Okay, well, I won't rob you. Let me just take this. You're gonna, okay. Give me that.
Sold.
Yeah, it's sold. It's sold. Yep, it is sold. Well, let's get on here. Okay, so let's get on to you. So, here, okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to pause the video here. So the video won't be like long. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it right here, and then I will tell ya. Then I will uh unpause the video when we get to the other house. So yeah, so I'll be right back. So yeah, and I am back. We are almost near the house, so all we have to do is just um get these people out of the way. But here's the thing, I don't want to get the cops because they'll probably run away and call the cops. So I'm just gonna wait here. Yeah, okay. You know what? I'm tired. I'm tired of this. That's it. Really? Okay, that's it. This is what happens when you go mountain climbing with an entity. Should I do this? Like literally, should I like jump off of this? Well, I would. Would he... Really? They literally told me to jump off of it. They literally told me. They told me to jump off of it, though. How was that fair, though? They literally told me to jump off of it, and my car is up there. Don't fall off, character. I have created you, and I do not want to mess you up again. Take a picture. Take a picture of this guy. Of this dude. This dude looking like, hey, what's up? Hey, what do I say? What you looking on your phone? What you looking on your phone? Is that iFruit? You're not even doing anything. Hold on, wait, say. I'm gonna get in the back. I'm gonna get in the back. Bro, why are you holding your phone? There's nothing on it. All there is an iFruit. You're just texting on you're just taking pictures on your phone, and you're just wondering how the world looks. Lamar's son. You know what? Y'all just wait. Man, forget Yao. This is gonna be the best selfie ever. You see? Look at all of that. 3, 2, 1, picture. Yep, that's what's up. Upload to gallery. Well, okay. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to jump off of this cliff real quick. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So 3, 2, 1, go. Dang it! I meant to press X and not square. Oh my god, I meant to press X, not square. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I barely even use this slot, or this. I only use this and that. So, okay, so this is gonna be the very last time doing this. Okay. Why? Why are these people still here? I don't understand. Why are y'all still here? Okay, whatever. 3, 2, 1. No! Why? Why? Is there no parachute? Was there no parachute? You know what? Forget this. I'm just gonna go to the house. Just gonna go to the house. I apologize for making this really long because I was supposed to get a parachute, but instead it just go ahead and not get a parachute. I created this character and it wants to mess me up all over again. But it doesn't matter. We're just gonna go straight to the house. No excuses, just going straight to the house and just you see, and I could have just jumped right by my car. I literally could have just jumped right by my car. forget this. Oh, and if y'all guys guess what kind of color this is, like what respray is this, then I will give y'all a free shout out. Yes, no lie, I will give y'all a free shout out because in 3 days I will check this video. So yeah. Oh, and if y'all guys are new, make sure that y'all subscribe and turn on post notifications because y'all will never know if I make some videos. That's okay. Y'all will already know because y'all have post notifications. So yeah. Okay, so I found this. Hold on, wait a second. I didn't even see nobody. Don't forget it. Forget it. Screw it. I'm just gonna go down. I'm going down. Guys, if y'all like me taking my nice cars on stunts like these, leave a like and tell me what kind of car should I mess up next? Because it's really fun messing up cars. And my house is right there, so pretty much we're passing my house a little bit, so okay, let me finish this. Now, let me finish this. Yep, of course. Okay, so let's get back on the road. Oh, and I'll probably do a, I would probably, I don't know, but I would probably do an all about me video, so yeah. I will do an all about me video. Okay, so guys, yeah, we are now to the house. I was about to go on my friend's street, but that's besides the point. See how jacked up my car is? So, yeah. So, guys, don't judge me by the house. Well, actually, y'all can judge me because pretty much I already know that. Look at this. Just look at this. How do I say this? This is a toilet. Oh, no. You see, look at this. This is a really small house. This has a water fountain. If y'all guys could see that. Free space, a small garage, and a small house. On the outside, the garage and the house together, it is small. But if y'all look inside, it is big. Yeah, so pretty much all of my vehicles are pretty much chrome in this one. Okay, so I think I have made a video of seeing my cars, but yeah, whatever. I'm gonna do it again. So this is the Dune buggy, chrome. This is the vapid blade, chrome. This is the bison, chrome. This is the entity that I just messed up, that is also chrome. This is the Virgo, chrome. And this is the Dubsta 6x6. And it's also chrome. So yeah, okay. So, yeah, those are all the cars. If y'all guys like any of the cars, make sure that y'all comment down below what car, what vehicle y'all like. So yeah, this is pretty much the time to hold up. I don't remember having hair. Oh, this is the tattoo. So anyway, guys, if y'all guys like this video, make sure that y'all like it. If y'all do. If y'all don't, then that's okay. Because I barely even get any likes and I barely even make YouTube videos. But that's besides the point. If y'all guys are new, make sure that y'all subscribe. This is my character. If y'all guys want to add me on PS3, it is WitherBoss1 and my three friends, Leo, the Fox04, DeathGiver115, and Codeiron. If y'all cannot spell any of those of the names that I just said, including my name, then I will put it in the description. And I will also put the cars, all of the cars that in the description that I showed y'all. So yeah, this is Xavier, and yeah, I'll see y'all guys later.